Good morning, students. Did you observe this plane? Here there is a horizontal number line. Did you observe? And vertical number line also there. The horizontal number line is called x-axis and the vertical number line is called y-axis and their intersecting point is called origin. And this plane is called Cartesian plane. Why do we call it Cartesian plane? In Euclid's plane, we cannot define a point. We cannot define a point. So a great philosopher and German mathematician René Descartes mixed plane geometry with algebra and invented coordinate geometry. It is also called analytical geometry. So, in the name of René Descartes, we call this plane as a Cartesian plane and we consider René Descartes as father of plane geometry. So, father of plane geometry is René Descartes. He is a great philosopher and German mathematician. On his name, we call this plane as Cartesian plane. Here we can plot points. That means we can define each and every point on this plane. Observe here. The x-axis and y-axis divided the plane into 4 quadrants. This is quadrant 1, this is quadrant 2, this is quadrant 3 and this is quadrant 4. We have 4 quadrants. Observe first quadrant carefully. What is your observation? Did you observe it? Once again observe carefully. Here the x is positive, y is also positive. So the points plus lines in quadrant 1. Similarly observe quadrant 2, negative and positive. X is negative, y is positive. What about quadrant 3? Yes, you are right. Negative and negative. What about quadrant 4? Observe, x is positive. Observe here, x is positive, y is negative. So, in quadrant 1, plus points lies. Quadrant 2, plus. Quadrant 3, minus. Quadrant 4, plus minus. Don't worry, we will explain about it. Now let us plot a point 2, 4. Are you ready? Yes. Let us plot a point 2, 4. Observe carefully. First x-axis 2 and y-axis 4. Now they meet at the point A. Because both are positive, it is in quadrant 1. In 2, 4, 2 is called x-coordinate or abscissa. 4 is called y-coordinate or ordinate. Once again repeating. The first one is called x-coordinate or abscissa. The second one is called y-coordinate or abscissa. How to plot these points? First, choose 2 because it is x-coordinate on x-coordinate and 4 on y-coordinate. Both are positive. They meet in quadrant 1. So, their intersecting point is A. Similarly, let us plot one more point. Observe. Did you observe? It is minus 4 and 2. Yes, minus 4 and 2. Let us do one more point. Minus 2 minus 6. Minus 2 minus 6. Where is it? Yes, you are right. It is in third quadrant. And observe 4 comma minus 4. Where is it? 4 comma minus 4. Observe carefully. Yes, it is in. Yes, it is in fourth quadrant. Now observe some more points carefully. Are you observing the points? Where are they? Observe carefully where the points lie. Are you observing carefully? Yes, you are right. All are on x axis. All are on x axis. Now the points are minus 4 0, minus 2 0, 2 0, 4 0, 6 0, 8 0, minus 6 point something 0. That means every point on x-axis, the y coordinate or ordinate is 0. Vice versa, if y coordinate is 0, then the point lies on x-axis. Yes, you are right. Now, let us go to some more points. Where is it? Observe. Once again, observe carefully. Where are the points? Yes, you are right. These all points are on y-axis. Why they are on y-axis? Observe the points 0, 4, 0, 2, 0, minus 8, 0, 4 point, minus 4.3, 0, 0, 0, 6, so and so on. That means if x coordinate or abscissa is 0, then the points lie on, yes, you are right, the points lie on y-axis. So, the y-axis, the equation of the y-axis is x is equal to 0. Similarly, the equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. Once again, I am repeating. The equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0 and equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. One more thing, dear students, this positive part is ox part. This is ox part. What about this negative part? This is called ox dash part. And this positive part is called oy part. And this negative part is called oy dash part. What did we learn here? Let us recall. The father of coordinate geometry or analytical geometry is Rene Descartes. With the help of x-axis and y-axis, it was divided into 4 quadrants. This is quadrant 1. In quadrant 1, plus points lies. It is quadrant 2. Here minus plus points lies. It is quadrant 3. Here minus points lies. It is quadrant 4. Here plus minus points lies. The intersecting point of x-axis and y-axis is called origin. It is 0, 0. This part is OX part. It is OX dashed part. This is OY part. It is OY dashed part. We can plot the points by observing carefully. We can learn the plotting the points. Now, if a PQ is a point, P is called x coordinate or abscissa. Q is called y coordinate or ordinate. The coordinates of origin is 0, 0. Y coordinate of every point on x-axis is 0. y coordinate of every point on x-axis is 0. Therefore, equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. X coordinate of every point on y-axis is 0. Therefore, equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. Distance from the point AB to x-axis is b. Distance from the point PAB to y-axis is a. 2, 3 both are positive, so lies in quadrant 1. Minus 2, 3 lies on second quadrant. Minus 2, minus 3 lies on third quadrant. 2 minus 3 because plus minus, so lies on fourth quadrant. And 5, 0 lies on OX. Minus 5, 0 lies on OX dash. 0, 5 lies on OY. 0 minus 5 lies on OY dash. This is example question. Question is plot the points and connect them. You will get a beautiful picture. Solve yourself question. If you have any doubts, you can call me. Thank you for listening.